Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove password from your Excel sheet. So let's begin the video. First, open an Excel worksheet with a password. Here you can see it's asking for password. Now enter the password and open the workbook. So for removing your password, go to the File option and go for Protect Workbook. Click on the arrow. Now from this drop-down menu, select Encrypt with password. Now remove it and choose OK. And click Save. Let's open it again. As you can see, the password is not asked this time. That's it, your password is removed. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. This video is sponsored by XiroSoft. XiroSoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with XiroSoft today. For more details, check the description box.